We need your help as doers and believers, school leaders, foundations and endowments, places of worship, nonprofits, suburban friends and residents, and importantly, our youth as our next generation of leaders. You will inherit our city. You will take ownership of every block, every park, and every street. I stand before you today in my alma mater and ask that you commit yourselves and your peers to uphold a positive future for yourselves and for your city. Our civic responsibility, hope, and economic growth demand a quality education for all children and youth. As families, extended families, supporters, and neighbors, we also must nourish homes and relationships that value learning, respect, and responsibility. The only way out of poverty is through education. We can and we must do better. Together, our hands can craft a better York with equality, justice, and opportunity for all. Morality, hope, and economic growth are acts of patriotism, virtue, and responsibility. We must go beyond tolerance to learn about the otherness of others. Each one of our law-abiding children is precious in our Creator's sight. I, like all of us, fail at being tolerant. But the evolution in our hearts and minds to appreciate diversity more and more each day is what makes life, particularly public life, interesting, dynamic, and a constant learning experience. It is our patriotic duty as Americans, each steeped with our own personal way of life, to reach out to our neighbors and embrace them, for their presence makes our country and our communities stronger. And we can make the next 4 years an historic tipping point, tilting towards opportunity, progress, and justice for all. Under my watch, you will receive your city's government's steadfast services. But I'm counting on you too. Let us be judged by our acts to ignite and sustain a better York.